Alright, what's going on, guys? Back, as you see, race cars everywhere. We're at Edgewater Sports Park in Cincinnati, Ohio for plates and 28s. Had to run up, possibly grab the fuel, but I guess we don't need it. But today we're doing like a drag and drive. Obviously Corvette's still down, couldn't bring it, but I got my buddy Chad and Damien's Mustang twin turbo, and we're just gonna have a good time. Alright guys, we're here with the fastest twin turbo manual Mustang driver out of this whole event. Probably the fastest on property. I started the drag and drive. Yeah, he's in your class.
We're gonna follow you.
What are you? I'm gonna follow you. Receipts again, bro. Alright, so we're at the first stop, Union Station, Cincinnati.
I'm gonna put.
Train station is massive. A lot of the cars are pulling in. On the way to the second checkpoint. Some badass shit. Look at this. It's my dream Camaro, split bumper with the chute. Fill up of many.
Yeah, really. Thanks, nurse seats.
How many? What is that? 10 gallon?
10 gallon. Yeah.
That shit's fucking insane, bro.
Pick up?
Yeah, that shit's shake your face, buddy.
Not bad, huh?
No, that's fucking sick. Dude, it like just fucking wet.
Yeah, it's nasty. shit's cute.
I can't see it.
At nighttime, it's like, boom, 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 boom.
Look at the machine work on this. Fox body. This thing is insane, yo. Engine is massive. Look at that. 3 or 6 cylinder. Single. Beautiful Camaro. What's this? 68?
Like the blue crap,
Four lane?
maybe like the blue acid. Yeah.
This is Billy's car. Yeah, if this guy ever gets to work.
10 soldiers, race cars. Got some badass shit. Super color is so nasty. Flaking that is sick. Who's this guy?
This is the guy that's put the show on.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's a bad bitch, man. Chad's over here fangirling.
Hell yeah, man. Following the old man right now. This is awesome.
Bro, this thing make all the right noises. This shit's awesome. All you need in life is a fucking turbo and an LS.
That's it, baby.
Love it. This shit's awesome.
What are we at now? We gotta go watch like Ninja football?
What? Shit, we gotta watch the little one play.
Trip.
70 miles.
Let's go.
Drag and drive is now complete.
Now we get to drive. Or drag.
Dude's single turbo LS OBS did the damn thing.
Slow as fuck.
Look at that fucking setup. That's a gangster ass stuff. But we did it. Now it's time for fucking racing.
Yes, sir.
And he's gonna go all the way. Him and Damien first place. Fastest cars on the property.
He's tripping. Fastest cars on the property.
Oh, this is your truck. What year is it?
1990 C1500.
What engine you got in there?
It's a turbo LS 6.0.
What size turbo?
85 millimeter.
85. What kind of trans you got in there?
It's got a FTI turbo 400 with a Circle D torque converter, and yeah, she's a little bit of a little street truck.
What rear end?
Still got the 10 volt in it, though.
Oh, we got Dame staging. What's all done to it?
It's just a Auto Welds top mount race kit, tuned by Lund, T56 manual trans, stock motor oil pump gears. That's pretty much it.
What's size turbos you running?
62, 66.
Who built it?
Grade A.
What fuel system you running?
It's a lethal performance fuel system, 1200 cc injectors, and 350s in the trunk.
Do you have a stock rear end in this, or?
Yep, still stock rear end. Billet aluminum drive shaft, 2,000 horsepower axles, all BMR rear suspension, spherical bushings, lockouts.
What gear ratio are you running?
It's 355.
So this is the first round of eliminations. Looks like Chad's gonna be having a bye. Looks like his competition isn't showing up. We'll see. No competition, huh?
We're going rounds, baby.
Yes, sir.
How is that car? Huh? That must.
I'll get it. What did you guys run?
Yeah, we went.
What did you run?
Yeah, we like a 6.5.
What did he run?
I don't. They only give you yours.
Oh, what the fuck?
I don't know. It prints none on my side.
Yeah, they're not gonna give. Yeah, they don't give you the other.
Dang.
Yeah, that was that bad pass. The other one's my decent one, I guess. It went 630 at like 116 or something.
Yeah, I mean, I went 111, so the mile an hour was there. The footprint game.
So you went. So 111 gets you like 6. Yeah. I went 110 in 8 on the first pass. Flipping the clutch.
That's like a 640, 650.
Yeah, if I can do that, then that might be a good hand.
It'll be good. Yeah.
In a stick class, yeah.
That fucking two-step is up to 5,000 RPM.
I don't know. That white car over there.
Oh, he's ridiculous.
He's doing wheelies.
Yeah, he's ridiculous.
Yeah,
he's
that's
a second car. In the quarter.
That's crazy.
Yeah, he's wicked fast.
That's ridiculous. Yeah, you're in a tough class.
That 65 Mustang, fucking put it on the back bumper.
Yeah, that red one right there. That was sitting over there.
Yeah. That's not the same one, but yeah. But then fucking put it right on the bumper and then kept going. I was like,
Fast.
All right, bye run. Blew a coupler.
Yep.
How'd it feel?
It was on a pass, big dog. It was on a pass.
My boy's going rounds.
Everything happens for a reason, man. That's the way I look at it.
Hell yeah, hell yeah.
So like, it gave me a chance to figure it out a little bit. You know?
She's a spicy unit.
That's it, dude. It's ready to rock. It's really hot in here too.
You're fucking 2 inches from the turbo, my boy.
It's in it. Alright. Where do you think would be the best to adjust that clamp to where we can tighten it? I'm thinking right here, drop it straight down, so I can get it.
you have to tighten it right there. Give me a ratchet, I'll tighten it.